Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing veg fried rice and stir fried vegetables. I have already prepared the rice and chopped the vegetables, and the details about all the ingredients I will tell you as we proceed with the recipe. For the fried rice, in a large wok, I am adding a little amount of cooking oil and heating it. To that, I am adding a tablespoonful of chopped garlic. Fry it for around 30 seconds. Add julienned carrot, followed by one small red onion which I have chopped finely. Then add a little amount of green onions. Then add chopped chilies. I am using 2 red chilies and 2 green chillies. Add a handful of shredded cabbage. Followed by julienned bell peppers. I am using green, orange, yellow and red bell peppers. Then add few florets of steamed broccoli and little amount of corn kernel and green peas which are boiled. Season it with salt and pepper. Add the rice which has been cooked and cooled to room temperature. Add a tablespoon of white vinegar and a tablespoon of soya sauce. Cook it on high flame for a minute and the fried rice is ready. Now let us prepare vegetable stir fry. I am steaming chopped broccoli, carrot and cauliflower with little amount of cooking oil so that the broccoli retain its color. In another pan, heat oil. Fry a little amount of garlic. Add the steamed veggies. Don't discard the water. You can use it for making the cornflower slurry. Season it with salt. Add a teaspoon of soya sauce. Then add the corn slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of corn flour in the vegetable stock. Cook it till the sauce thickens. Season it with white pepper powder. Add chilies. If you wish, you can add mushrooms and capsicum. The veg stir fry is ready to be served, which goes very well with a veg fried rice. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button if you like the recipe and also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.